Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany Britannia718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. So guys, as you can tell by the title, and real quick, I do apologize if you hear kids in the background. I live over the pool and there are kids in the pool right about now, so my bad. But as you can tell by the title, it has been 10 years that I've been locked. 10 whole years, guys. I cannot believe I have finally made this benchmark in my life when it comes to my Sisterlock journey. I just wanted to pop on really quickly and just, give you guys a little overview of my hair. I got my hair retightened yesterday by Taisha here in Tampa, and just take a look. Yes, you guys see the grays. I might color them. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. Hey, do y'all see all this length though? Did y'all see that? Let me back up a little bit so you can see. And all this length, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yes. Okay. As of March 30th, I made 10 years and I'm super duper excited. So as you guys can see, I have reached my goal length, LENFF. Do I want to continue to grow my hair longer? Yeah. Am I gonna cut it? Probably not. I just want to see how long it can grow, or that I want it to grow without it becoming too annoying. And I'm not there yet. I'm not annoyed by it as much. Only when it comes to washing my hair, that's when you find me getting extremely annoyed. Other than that, piece of cake. But yes, guys, this is it. 10 years. Yes. Anywho, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know how long you've been on your journey. I would love to know how long you guys have been locked for. You guys know where to find me: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, all that jazz. But yes, guys, I just wanted to give y'all a quick update. Thank y'all for rocking with me for so long, because some of y'all have been with me since the beginning, and I'm here for it, and I appreciate y'all. But yes, I'll see y'all soon. Later.